Welcome to Hot Chocolate Journey.
We're searching for the greatest hot chocolate in the world.
Today our journey brings us to...
Well, home. Hi, Janet and Bo from HCJ again.
And tonight we're going DIY.
You know, we've been inundated with a slew of our viewers
There was one viewer.
asking us how we make our hot chocolate at home.
So for this episode, we thought we'd give a sense of how we do just that.
And at the same time, evaluate hot chocolate mixes you can buy at the grocery store.
So obviously your selection will be a little different depending on your own grocery store.
Most grocery store selections are dominated by Swiss Miss,
Uh-oh, here it comes.
which is baffling because Swiss Miss has no discernible chocolate taste.
Now he's going to tell you about vanilla.
If you're looking for hot vanilla, then Swiss Miss is your drink. Do you disagree?
No, Swiss Miss is something, but it's just not hot chocolate. Fortunately, we found 8 grocery store hot chocolates to try.
2 of them very familiar to us.
The 2 that we blend together for our nightly hot chocolate.
And 6 contending for a spot in our regular rotation.
Let's meet our finalists.
First up, Good and Gather's Double Chocolate.
That's Target's store brand. Second up, Nestle's Rich Chocolate.
The old classic. Third in line, Abuelita.
Mexican-style hot chocolate. Next, and we're excited to try this one, Ghirardelli Premium.
We've had great experiences with Ghirardelli. Batting 5th, Good and Gather's Sea Salt Caramel.
We have this one often in a blend with the Nestle, but I'm excited to try it straight up. Next in line,
Oh no.
yep, this one is controversial in our house, but we had a good experience in Seattle at Pike Place Market. What do you say we give it a try?
Fine.
Starbucks Double Chocolate.
Number 7 in the program, Silly Cow Farms.
Cool packaging. And rounding out the lineup, Favorite Day Milk Chocolate Drops.
We've never had much luck with chocolate bomb style hot chocolates.
Let's hope this time is different. So process-wise, we start by boiling up some water with our trusty Cosori kettle.
Pro tip, when the packaging calls for 8 ounces of water for the powder mix, 6 ounces makes for a more satisfying ratio.
Less watery.
I like 4 ounces as well, but
It's a little too chewy.
definitely.
After the water, we fill the rest of the drink,
With milk from a frother.
but not just any milk.
Well, we are making hot chocolate. Shouldn't the milk also be chocolate?
So we mix the powders,
And stirred the frothed milk.
and here are the results.
5 that are nice solid 3s.
One of those was a borderline 4.
1 so-so 2. And 2 you should feel free to leave on the grocery store shelf.
Both of the Target Good and Gather offerings were 3s.
The double chocolate was thick and dark.
And the sea salt caramel not only tastes great, it also smells amazing when you're stirring it.
Nestle's is Old Faithful.
Consistent, chocolatey, satisfying.
The Favorite Day chocolate drops were a surprise. First, they worked.
I really like that one.
Kinda nutty? Reminded me of Christmas somehow.
Nutmeg, maybe?
Yeah, maybe.
I love the Ghirardellis.
Ghirardelli, Hershey, there are just some companies you can always count on.
Almost wanted to give this one a 4.
Almost.
The Abuelita was
Mid.
hoping for better.
No cap.
As for the Starbucks,
If it's not at the flagship store looking at Puget Sound, don't bother. I'm not even sure they even know what chocolate is.
almost tasted more like, coffee.
And the Silly Cow wasn't much better.
We hope you'll join us on our hot chocolate journey by checking out our upcoming YouTube videos and Instagram posts. Tell us, home viewers.
What grocery store brands did we miss?
So remember, when searching for your favorite hot chocolate, keep 2 things in mind.
It's gotta be hot, and it's gotta be chocolate.